And business process automation, it might not sound sexy, but I swear the real life results are really sexy. The problem is a bad plan executed perfectly is still going to have a bad outcome. And so that's what this webinar is trying to save you guys from. All right, so these are the 3 myths that we are going to debunk. So if you think it's horribly expensive to invest in automation, it is more expensive not to use it at all. And we will prove that beyond any reasonable doubt by the end of this webinar. I understand that, from the thousands of hours of working with clients, helping them with this exact subject, that everyone's work in each industry is different. And these practices get applied in individual ways. But no matter what type of business you have or what your workflow looks like, if you were able to cut one of your workflows literally in half, like what would you do with that extra time? Because that's what we're really talking about here. This is an example of a marketing agency sales process. Some of you out there might be marketing agents, and sweet, like cool, this is a great, really pointed example for you. But for the rest of you out there, you're like, well, I don't own a marketing agency, this doesn't apply. But the fact of the matter is, whatever your process or workflow is, there are elements of it that could be automated. And so what would your work world be like if your worst workflow, like the worst process you do all day, all week, all month, whatever the timing is, was cut in half?